come up. So you come talk about corruption and Prime Minister that is statutory declaration. All the man declaration for certify. When you pay one bag of people who for certify the thing to not certify it. When you have the whole like people who for certify the man thing, round your finger like so you're bunting. I pay them money, I buy them out, I have the whole, all them are going to certify the man thing. When time the whole on a group up, buy your integrity commission. Oh, why them are going to certify it? Mark Golding, remember, you know, your statutory declaration, you know. 90% of your earnings and your belongings are not on your statutory declaration. And remember that, no Mark Golding. Remember, say majority of your earnings and your possession, you know, they are in offshore, you know, them lack off, you know. Integrity commission itself can dig up in everything where you have, you know. Majority of your set of belongings, your set of possessions, they are not in Jamaica. If them there in one part where nobody can dig up in. So how comes you are talk about integrity? If you wouldn't have integrity, Mark Golding, you wouldn't lack off your money in an offshore bank. You wanna put most of your assets them in your pitney name, in your pitney them name. You most of your company them there in a different people name. Alright, even your house where you have, even your house, you don't have a house in your name in a Mark Golding. You don't own a house. Big top billionaire like your Mark Golding don't own a house. Tell me where you not even your house. It come like a rent you pay. Cause your house you living on a fear. So tell me now, how comes you go come talk about corruption to the way how you hide every single thing for you? Not even the house where you living in. You don't have a house for your statutory declaration for say yes, this is Mark Golding. So when you come and chat about corruption, and some people in Jamaica sit down and play naive like no no sense, brother. I met this little white haggy run up and down about the place. Yo, Kerry Black, them are so there for me sitting. Okay, so one thing with PNP, me tell her. Two things PNP know about. Spread propaganda and tell lie. Them have a leader and them not even take the chance to know them leader, know things about them leader, know them leader heritage, know where them leader come from, know how long them leader they in a PNP party. They not even know that, you know. Me I tell you, you know. So when we talk things, them say we make it up, you know. When them have a leader and them not even go research and know things about them leader. So when we talk things that is factual, the idiot them say a lie we tell because them don't know nothing about Mark Golding, you know. Only thing them know about Mark Golding at time come. That's all PNP know about Mark Golding. Time come. Them have a leader where them don't know nothing at all about their leader, but time come. I saw the leader name, time come. Uno PNP, more no own so blind, two you blind and fool. Uno have one leader, a majority of uno. If people ask you 4 questions about uno leader, uno no. Some of uno if they ask you which part uno leader, which constituency in a Jamaica uno leader, a MP for, uno no know. Uno don't know nothing about uno leader, and what you don't know what time come. Because if you don't know about uno leader, uno don't know say Mark Golding is one of the worst MP. Since him take over jungle till now, Mark Golding not have one. Mark Golding not do one infrastructure development over jungle where you can go and say yes. Since Mark Golding take over that constituency from over Omar Davis, Mark Golding have one development. And check how long Mark Golding have. Una chat like una talk about Mark Golding a chance. Mark Golding new. Mark Golding just coming to politics. Mark Golding. How long since Mark Golding is an MP? How long since Mark Golding is an MP? And me say ask anybody I try to be a PNP over jungle, you know, and them love for the beat down. But you see, if one jungle people can get up and talk it out, them wanna say since Mark Golding and Omar Davis are them are peas in a pot, you know. You hear me tell her? Them are peas in a pot because Omar Davis no left no legacy over there. And it over there for how much years? Mark Golding come and now and did it for how much? Mark Golding is a how much term MP over jungle? No check it. And Mark Golding have one. Not even one development for sure. And him is about a 5-term MP. So all of uno PNP attack about give Mark Golding a chance like Mark Golding knew. Mark Golding there in politics for how many years now? Mark Golding is one of the rarest MP in a Jamaica. Factually, and on propaganda, not on a lie we are spent for Mark Golding. Mark Golding, Angela Brown Teeth and Hilton. You hear me telling you? And Mark Golding and Angela Brown Teeth, them a rub head to head, tail to tail, whisper to whisper, eyelash to eyelash. You don't know which one of them can win. For the rarest MP in Jamaica. So tell me, how man for be the rarest? One off the rarest MP. Me say, Uncle somebody can win him, Angela Brown Teeth and I buy a whisper or a eyelash or a ear strand. It cannot be by far. How comes you can be one of the rarest MP in Jamaica? You don't have. You about one 5-time or 6-time MP. And you don't have one single development for showing your constituency. So how you have to tell me about you can run Jamaica, Mark Golding? You can run 14 parish? Mark Golding, you can run 14 parish and you can't fix one constituency? Yo, youth, listen. Get your head check, Mark Golding. Labor rights. Me I beg you, please. Stop sit down and make these PNP confused, you know. We are the people who stand up for the country. Right, true. You me telling you from the inception of Jamaica till now, because we are the people who they push to get independent from these British wicked people, from Mark Golding ancestors. It was our party who pushed for that. So that for sure, I say, we are the backbone of Jamaica. I want to tap up the screen of people, please. Because I tell you all the while, you see me there, I soon not tap on rare, I'm going to just jump. Because I not make them block me. I not make them take my profile. Although I'm going to build a couple more still. But for now, that profile I have to fight for Jamaica. So, see me over here on the tap, I'm going to jump. I tell you the truth. You don't know say I saw mistake. Believe me to God. Because the live a glitch. And if I'm the live a glitch, them I report it. I want to know that too. You see me, because I don't know PNP stay. Them don't want factual information for reach Jamaica. Jamaicans, especially, are people overseas. Because them find out the people overseas are tuning into this politics thing. You see me? And it's a disgrace for Mark Golding, one of the worst MP in Jamaica. I go around and I try to tear down with good Prime Minister. With Prime Minister who care for poor people. Who care for the people in the country. From disabled to baby to handicapped man to the lowest set of people in Jamaica. Yeah man, I do that. You know, so me have one dojo and just me if you sort it out. You see me, I do it, man. I do it, General. Big up yourself, man. You hear me telling you? For me government care for all sectors of people. We make sure, Gusta Boom, you know, my government make sure come in and assess it. You see me? The man assess everything. The man sits down and assess Jamaica for the first term. You see me? In the second term, COVID come in. You see me? And we tough it out. We tough out everything, you know, because enough people are going like say, in the first term when the government get the win it from Portia Simpson Miller, not never did it for we, you know. And the world, all of we as Jamaican know that Portia Simpson Miller tell we say the money never there for pay. None of the public sector work at them. Police couldn't get no raise. Teacher couldn't get no raise. No, but none of UNO couldn't get no raise. Minimum wage couldn't raise. You me telling you that Portia Simpson send the money not there. The road them couldn't fix. Cardinal Regional Hospital in a deplorable condition from Portia Simpson in a government that should never look upon it. You me telling you, 90% of police station them did a billboard floor with big hole in it. The whole of ceiling, the rooftop them have hole in it. When rain and fall, police have to use water. Have to use bucket and I catch water. When you call police couldn't come because police not a car. When you call fire truck can't come. When they come, they run out of water because fire hydrant not there. You me telling you, that are the Jamaica where I come from. You know? So how comes we know who sit down and know say that's where I come from? I'm going to make PNP come trick we and tell you foolish. You know, no sense. I want to make Mark Golding. Make Mark Golding, you know. A man like Mark Golding who have same constituency. The people them live over there, you know. And them live in this tenement yard style house, you know. And at the ladder, at the step, the staircase have to bring the people them in and out of that building. And Mark Golding wait until the staircase pop down. You hear me telling you? until it pop down before him turn the black eye or the blue eye me eye, cause them a white nigga them. Yeah, before him turn the blue eye me eye to go over there and look upon them. You hear me telling you? Him no member them until him reach to the verses of verses that we as Jamaica want, and is a leader like that we want, who are going to wait until we sing. Is a leader like that we want, who sit down and allow KSAMC alone, to thief over $1 billion of our taxpayers' dollars. And now him not get up and put a stop to it. Is a leader like that we want. So if him can leave, all of these municipalities where him, because him an opposition leader, you know, where him is a leader over. If him can leave, him look surrogates them, and him look come below them, fear thief all of our taxpayers' money, and not say nothing about it. What if them going to government? Jamaica and broke. I want to tell me the truth. If them can stay in the opposition and him have the opposition leader, me never hear him come out and talk out against it. Me never hear him say nothing about it. Him not try to put no stop towards it. And the money I miss the left, right and center. Hanover, Westmoreland, Manchester, St. Catherine, Kingston and St. Andrew municipality are 5 that, you know, if me not miss one, you know, 5 municipalities that, you know, and out of the 5 municipalities, this year, if you don't check it up, over 4.8 billion Jamaican taxpayers' dollar. You hear me telling you? Big up yourself, my sister Gully. Over 4.8 billion dollar of taxpayers' dollar full money that, you know, and Mark Golding run up and down and talk about corruption every day. So that is not corruption. More often know if I know corruption or if Mark Golding does tell, we as Jamaicans say, PNP have a right for thief we. It's PNP culture for thief we and rob we and take away taxpayers' money. We for vote in PNP and we as Jamaican we not say nothing about it because we don't know over the years that PNP job is to thief us, rob us blind, take all our taxpayers' money and do nothing for we. You hear me telling you? So how comes me not here? This a shit house here talk about. Genius me know man. No one you one of them will drink enough ice soup. Whole heap ice soup you drink. Yeah, me I build my YouTube channel, brother. Me tell me have a YouTube channel about 3 days and my daughter name. So me have to change it over and put up my picture and just go and do my thing over YouTube to what. And me tell you now, Mark Golding and him surrogates them a rob we blind. And we as Jamaica, what we do? Sit down, Mark Golding and ask nothing about it. Watch out. Mark Golding them been going around for almost 2 years now. Attack say how much labor right MP and labor right representative or ministers, you see me, under illicit enrichment investigation. And 7 of them, Mocha, are investigate right now. 7 of them, and the 7 of them 7 there is just from outer no, yeah, yes, Miss Chin, man. You know where it go, bro, man. Me I go link up said time, man. You know where it go, my sister, man. Love and respect. I 7 of them, you know. 7 of them out of 1 municipality that, you know. You hear me telling you? 7 of them mixed up in a Bangarang, in a those Kingston and St. Andrew municipality. KSAMC municipality. 7 of them. And guess what? Who for name my biggest name out of it? More somebody in a chat for tell me who for name my biggest name mixed up in these billions of dollars that go missing out of the municipality them. Who for name my biggest name in a KSAMC? Who are run up and down and talk about the Prime Minister statutory declaration and they every campaign of PNP they on a trace like a girl. I feel him name one of the main and him the electoral office board. Him depend the electoral office. You hear me telling you? Yeah, man, big up yourself, man, when you're there, man. When you reach, you know where you're there. Him depend the electoral office board, you know. You hear me telling you? Satan Campbell name, one of the biggest name in the corruption, you know. And Satan Campbell been going around. Him, and Mark Golding are the leader, them, you know. Them are the leader for you try to tear down with Prime Minister and Satan Campbell name. I want a head name in this moving off with money. taking the money and getting dance. Me go ask you again. What kind of organization Dan have in a Jamaica? Who Dan employ? When time them take free taxpayers' money and give them Dan friend them. Where Dan money do? Where money do? Tell me where money do. The Dan them use the money and do something good and employ some youth out of the community. Does the Dan them use the money and build up and do investment with it that it can employ youth? But that more want to know. More Jamaica people them for tell me, if when PNP take with taxpayers' money and give them, if it do back something positive in a Jamaica, it do back something positive, eh? So that's all corruption. So how comes on allow Mark Golding to run up and down about the place and spread propaganda and tell lie for Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party about corruption? And Mark Golding and him party are robbed with blind. I want to it, eh? Sitting around with we. That more often know if sitting around with we as a labor right or something wrong with we as Jamaican. You see me? Because I'm sure no saying 14 of them. Mark Golding and 13 thief. So 14 seat them have. We a leader in Jamaica, we there in a power. So how we sit down and make one white man and in 13 thief them fair run up and down around the country and spread propaganda upon we. Are we we have more seats in the parliament, so now we feel out there shut them up. If them take to the street today and go tell lie, tomorrow we should take to the street and go spread and go out there with facts. Go put it on TVJ, because TVJ run from facts, You see me? So if we go out there, go demonstrate and make TVJ catch facts on them program and go spread facts to Jamaica, can go think them get up and do and spread lie and propaganda and spread wicked Mark Golding and try to bring down Jamaica. Labour rights are time for we stand up for our country and stand up for our party. You me tell them, I don't know why. Some of my people, some of my top brass people, Labour rights are soft, brother. And I wonder if them just sit down and want to go in opposition. Me ask them. Me have to just talk the truth, You me tell them? Me say, me have to wonder if I don't love opposition, all Labour rights would upon my life. Tell me if I don't love opposition or I don't love the opposition. I don't love opposition. Tell me if when Labour right in opposition, if it benefit Jamaica. I want to know if you tell me the truth. I mean, I beg you to type in a chat, make me know what I go on. I know if you not if me and the chat. You know, more have to know if me I don't know. I go up on the same road or if me not see right. When Labour right in opposition chat, it better for Jamaica. We're good at it for Jamaica. More I know. We love opposition, I will love them in a government. More I know them sitting here in the car, too, you see Labour right, just kick back like saying, and allow PNP them to run up and down and try and mash down your party. More I know if I don't love in the opposition, so I want to say, I'm not comfortable for them in the opposition more than in the government. Because you see, me ask for the chat, I know say I'm most Labour right there, and go to somebody or one somebody right chat. So, it come like, I walk on. You prefer to tell me to come off and chat here, brother, and stop and alone here, brother. Because if Labour right there for you, I'm asking a question. If we love opposition then, that's not tell me say, we love opposition to bombard. I can't believe this. I believe Labour right they love power. But it chat alone show me say we love opposition. Okay, we can ask one question like that. I'm 40 people over here. And we can count the amount of people we say. You see me? Brother, I'm telling you this. We not love opposition. Because every time we in opposition, Jamaica suffer. So me going to tell our Labour like this. You see, if we love opposition, we hate ourselves and hate our country. We hate our people in the future. We hate everything about Jamaica. Because each time when PNP in a power, Jamaica suffer. We suffer. We people in the future suffer. The country suffer. The dirt suffer. The dog suffer. The puss suffer. The road suffer. All the sky suffer. Rain hardly fall. So how comes them the people if we go in a power? How so wicked to it up, brother? We stand up for our rights now, brother, please. We sang say it, stand up for your right. But we stand up for Jamaica, no? One good thing we can't say we are ring the freedom bell, and we not fight for freedom, You see me? We can't say we are ring the freedom bell and we not fight for our freedom. And our freedom in Jamaica is free from PNP. You hear me tell you? I'm to this idiot, and every day I can talk about PNP win, man. Idiot, let me tell you this. Whether Labour right or PNP, I'm going to live off a politician. Yeah. Fake Judith, because Uncle Judith, me know a real Judith, we are Labour right. Whether Labour right or PNP in power, this a boy I can't dead for hungry. Because I live off a politician, I live off of my skill. Yeah, so me I said thing, you know. We live off a politician, you know. I am just a true Labour right and a true Jamaican. I know the facts and the truth of life of Labour right are the best party for Jamaica. So what me I go do? Me I go choose that. Me I go choose Jamaica. Me I go choose Labour right. So nobody come chat like I work for my own. You me tell you no? Big up yourself, my sister Golding, man. Me know man. Me know if that go on from one day. Is it a beer that go on with the life? Me no know. But that's why me not try to stay too long. You see me? But you see you fake Judith. You know what I said? Me tell you, you see uno. And that's how no PNP leaders them or the bigger heads them can say. Uno no value nothing about KFC. Cook some chicken back. Buy 2 buckets of KFC. Cook some bad mind soup. And you go see Mount a PNP bungalow. Hey, cook some food. And write for one paper. Free. Every PNP run out in our orange shirt. Cause what? We don't love freeness. We must listen, you know. Labour right town are a different set of people. The most hardworking set of Jamaica them are Labour right. The most upstanding set of Jamaicans are Labour right. You hear me telling you? So all of who PNP get up on a chat about when Labour right. Look how long Labour right in our opposition and none of we ain't dead for hungry. Look how long Labour right in our opposition and we that live better life than uno when we in a government. Look how long Labour right did it in our opposition and we build more better house and live in a better house than uno until now. So how comes you come chat? Uno come chat like PNP in a government did good or nothing. Remember saying Satan can become saying when in going to PNP their house is a disgrace because I look through no stop. So if PNP in a 18 year, in a government for 20 odd year. For 20 odd years. And uno still not live in a one good house. So who can come tell me say? Uno did not make no money in a PNP time. Uno not live good. Uno not get nothing good. And uno not live in a one good house. Uno not build one good house. Uno not buy 2 cars. Uno not achieve nothing in a PNP time. So how comes uno come and talk about PNP time did better? Not one of uno. 90%. Triple X. And the whole of them who come and come chat about PNP, never own a bicycle in a PNP time. When in a PNP time, nobody not even know Triple X. You hear me tell them, Triple X was this little nigga who are run up and down and do promotion and spinning in neck and about him and the dirty wide and them sitting there until him go up a Magnum. You hear me telling them, until him go up a Magnum and him get some little endorsement deal and him reach for a radio station. Until him end up like a foreign and go thief crab leg. You hear me telling you? So how comes Triple X attack like in a PNP time he was this boy? And now under Andrew said Andrew Holness government where you are somebody Triple X. And under Andrew Holness government you can go dance, go select and get money pull up boy. You never did that nobody in a PNP time. 90% of uno who get up on a cost Andrew Holness government and I said government on a cost uno turn somebody. So how comes on nobody in a PNP time? And that Mr. Yo, you see now Triple X them there on the media and attack on a certain platform. I me can't go for ask him. Okay, if me and him there on the first thing I ask him say, underneath PNP party, PNP governance, you were nobody? Who were you? What kind of job you did have? What kind of education you did have? And under this government here, enough of them come educate themselves. End up own one car. Them can move from out of the ghetto where them live and go live uptown and come talk, speak his pokey and come act like them as somebody. Triple X them for know say me know them. You see me cause when time me I do promotion with Boom. When time we used to dance. Triple X them not even nobody not. Triple X one big fat boy when you see him laugh off him and big fat ill-shaped hag. You hear me telling you? So under Andrew Holness government, Triple X them make their name and be somebody. So how comes they cost the government where under the government they make a name and be somebody? Popcorn them said Popcorn who run up and down and I see him from all type of stage. And I cost Andrew Holness and I try to bring down the Andrew Holness government Popcorn making name. Because when time Cartel did do a road, Popcorn never know nobody but one backup singer. Under this government they making name and get rich. Credit law them. Most of the young artists them who you see a chat off them out. When they get them boss. In a PNP time, in a being man alone, I hunger artist. Beenie Man was the hunger artist, no other artist couldn't bust. In a PNP time, every song we Killer sing, them ban Bounty Killer sang them and give Beenie Man the go. Cause Beenie Man, Patrick Roberts was Beenie Man boss. Patrick Roberts that pull Beenie Man ass. So Beenie Man alone he used to respect. Andrew Holness can level feel for every single Jamaican. I wanna know that, but you know what I'm doing. I'm not afraid for talk the truth, brother. What you mean me too? Like go for your son, I'm afraid for talk the truth. I'm not afraid for talk the truth. When we grew up. Youth in them 30s, who was the two top artists? Bounty Killer and Beenie Man. And Bounty Killer get the most fight. Bounty Killer sang them ban, and Beenie Man sang them go through. Why make Beenie Man sang used to go through? Because Patrick Roberts was Beenie Man boss. And Patrick Roberts, who is Patrick Roberts? You, Kerry, some of the time, me I beg you, Kerry, see one and two of them, make me just say two sitting to them, and if they say nothing, you black them. Because I mean, I want to ask some of them idiot, if since me attack, if I foolish me attack, say, Yeah, I know that, but watch out now, Miss Judith. May I tell you something? You see the stadium, remember saying, them are going to fight against anything at stadium, you know. You see me? Yes, Kerry. Big up yourself, Kerry, man. If I see them get two-faced, you just dash them away. You hear my heartbeat, please. You remember say the stadium is a project of Jamaica Labour Party, you know. Edward Siaga build that, you know. Edward Siaga build arena. So, you see, all day one time you hear them talk about we have put too much green over stadium. We should have painted the whole stadium in a green. The whole stadium should have painted in a green because we put it there. Underneath through government that bill. It wasn't built underneath no PNP government. And sometimes the PNP are wicked people and brother want to sit down and make the people them go like them want chicken. 90% of these young people and 90% of these people who want to see a drive up and down and have one big house and one big car, they never have it in a PNP time. And the whole of we know that all of we live in a Jamaica. We can't tell you this. Anybody, that's how we talk the truth, you know. And if you're not afraid to talk the truth, and you don't feel like Andrew Holness got out chastise that uno. Got out chastise uno. Because guess what? I'm telling you what the Bible tells you. The Bible says your mouth defines you. So there is no way you can know where your life will come from and know where you live. And you say you live worse than that. There is no way you can see the country and come from where. When you're going on one community, if you see an upstairs house, you see enough. When you pass an upstairs house when you're a little boy and you don't want to look on the house, you know. Don't top of the screen, people. When we are little youth and we walk and see a nice upstairs house, you don't want to look on it. Because you don't normally see upstairs house. You hear me telling you now, in almost every community where you go, you have 3, 4, 5 upstairs house. Unless in the dilapidated communities like Mark Golding community and Angela Brown community, and the reason why the people can't see good living conditions because the PNP keep them that way there. The PNP hold on them brain and keep them that way there. Look out at tie spend. May I tell you that thing now? Look out at tie spend. Right out at tie spend the search party show people them the over which part the big building there. So they have the upstairs building. You have over that side there, so you see the local food for the poor, them house them there. Look how much, you know. Look how much big upstairs house built up in between the local food for the poor house them. And when you look a boy in your pass, so be a food for the poor house, you see, and dirty stinking this and dirty. The little ghetto, people have put big upstairs house tonight. You hear me tell you now, one scheme build this year, and next year when you go back in a scheme, you can't believe the said scheme that we build this year. Almost every house had an pan. Almost every house. Nobody in a scheme now want to live in a the regular scheme house. Them just buy it. And by a year time, they start had an pan it. Then fence up their yard. How comes, where people might get money for do this? If you don't say nothing go on in our country, brother. If you don't sit down and say nothing go on in our country, I'm telling you, you know. You see, if Jamaica are grateful for Andrew Holness and grateful for what God do for what God know what we did there, I want to stop. Call down sufferation pan Jamaica. I want to stop it. I'm telling you, because the Bible telling you now, I want to call for now, go get. So you see, every day I want to sit down and call down sufferation pan Jamaica and Jamaica people. They must suffer and Jamaica a worse place. You know we get, you know. PNP, me I tell you something. You see, one ball for God we go now. Yeah, God we go now. The Bible telling us that God is a jealous God. If you don't understand what that means. You hear me telling you, anybody for my life where All I live with them for my life, no one understand what I say. That's why I have to love and respect you. God is a jealous God. So yes, one time God know where you come from and him give something and you deny it, he will take it away from you. You hear me tell you, I said him take it away from you, mama, him ever make you feel it harder where you come from. So yes, we as Jamaicans, we know where you come from. We know the struggles of the country. We know, brother, we know the days of can't find in a work. We know the days of leaving high school and nothing did for we do. And we see our youth them now leave high school and I go straight in our work. We know the days of a policeman. I got work, and if him not drive one of the police jeep them, if him not get it for car home, him can't reach a work, him have to take normal transport, public transport like any other normal worker as a policeman. You hear me telling you, now our government pay them, that's the most police officer, and the police officer who don't have a car right now, and most them don't want it. See me with the teacher them. When we grew up, 90% of teacher them reach a school late. We reach a school more before 90% of the teacher them when we go to school. Because why the teacher them have to take public transport and hitch up in the traffic. You hear me tell you now? Any teacher don't own a car, them don't want to own it. You hear me tell you now? Big up yourself, Daddy Plank. Love and respect my father, man. I want love, man. You hear me tell you now? Any teacher don't want to own a car, no, and them don't want to own it. Fireman, same way. You hear me tell you? A man, a little fireman in a PNP time couldn't buy one car. In a one little fireman couldn't buy a thing, but security couldn't think about buy one bike. Not less one car in a PNP time. Look how much security guard now. Want to see a buy car. Look how much teacher own taxis. Own the little 6-wheeler truck them. And I put in a Westing car and sit. Look how much police own 3, 4, 5 truck and all tractor. In a PNP time, them think they couldn't go and say, how comes Uno go sit down and say the country now run good and not now go on the country. Jamaica will take away everything for God will take away everything from we. Yeah? God will remove it. Because guess what? God say, not for only in a Jamaica. Uno don't appreciate what uno have. Uno don't appreciate what God give to it. God give you a prime minister to change your life and make it look better from where it was. Why am I going to accept him? I want to make some people, I want to make the same people, we hold we down for years. We make family them all they could have buy one car. All they could have one good house. You hear me telling you, all they could have sent we go to school. Want to make them the people they want to come back and take where we God give it. So who have sent? But that I want to tell more when I big up yourself, Nicky. Love and respect. You only want to make the people them who hold we down for all these years. Never provide no job for our mother and our father them. Not for our mother and our father them. Make sure our grandparents them as done as possible. Them not create no opportunity for our grandparents them. You hear me telling them? They make sure make some of we youth in our 30s and go up in our 40s. Couldn't get no education because our mother and our father couldn't send we go high school because them couldn't afford the school fee. I want to make them people turn on now. Want to come take where one youth them have. One youth them have free school. What we never have. One youth them get a good meals, 2 meals a day in a school where we never have, brother. We never have them sitting in a Nutribola and Nutribola never free. Remember good not Jamaica? Remember good not Jamaica? So how comes you make them people come tell us say country worse off and Uno self know the conditions what Uno grew up under and want to live up under. Uno see what Uno youth them. Uno see the conditions what Uno youth them under now. I grew up under. And the living where them can get. And what Uno can give them. I want to make the people them sit down and fool, you know. Before Uno run their people them and sound an idiot, man. Me remember where me I come from. Me remember the life I me used to live. And me see how me can deal with my youth now. It's me life. Nobody, not one hour labor never consider like things is a better rose in Jamaica, but it better off. Let me tell you, it 100% better off than in a PNP time. Because none of them youth in them are young youth, them not grow up come see them mother wash nobody all dirty clothes and if you send them to school. You know. You hear me tell you? None of them youth and grow up come see them father born cold for send them to school. You know. You hear me tell you? None of them youth and see them grandmother and them grandfather them go market go sell. For send them to school. I work them grow up come see them parents them I work. You hear me tell enough of them come see them mother police, or them mother teacher, or them mother have some work. We not grow up come see them thing then. We, not for we, not grow up come see them thing. Not for we, our parents, them have to wash dirty clothes. For send we go get look education and make couple of we go get skill. For our youth them come see we are go have a good work. You know, remember that, you know? Remember, so not for we not grow up come see mommy or daddy are go out there. Because the PNP no work, never did it for them. First thing PNP closed down 44,000 business. Them closed down place like free zone. Them close down all of them local business, all of local place them where used to employ women and employ people in Jamaica. It never did the full parents them. I don't know how we will see it, we know. When time we see we mother them and wash people dirty clothes. We feel like we used to feel good. When we used to see my granny I go market in a brother every I see my grandmother until Sunday. You know. Upon Sunday my grandmother get to spend good time with we, because grandma have to go market from Monday to Saturday. Straight. To take care of our grandpit them and send we go to school. You hear me telling you? So how comes Uno come now when I come talk like say it was better? It was better after them time. They start make PNP fool. You know. Them will tell you about $6,200. Could I buy could I buy what? In a PNP time, I'm not found in a PNP time, you know. I know not just a weird things, you know. I know not just a call on yourself at. Yeah, in a PNP time when we are youth. And we are dance. We have to buy clothes almost every week and shoes every week. You know we have to buy All-Star. You hear me telling you? We used to love Reebok Classic. One Reebok Classic have $2,500. You hear me? And when I work at Salt Factory, I get $5,500 every fortnight. And when we spend $2,500 and buy one shoes. Me have to say no man, we have to start by All-Star them. We have to $1,500 and $2,000. You hear me tell her? And we can buy one little white shirt. And we buy one little wash-out jeans. Because that we used to buy wash-out jeans them. When they wash them. And we cut up with pants them how we want them. And we design up within them. And I like how them youth can go buy designer clothes and hype up themselves and have on kickers and them sitting there. No. In a full time when we see one nigga in a Clarks, he have money. You hear me tell you? In a PNP time, and everybody can wear Clarks for them foot. And everybody can wear one Nike. And every picnic can have good bag. Like how them a picnic have 3-4 bag. Have kickers, Clarks, the best shoes. I wear gas school, enough I wear barefoot. You hear me telling you? Enough youth, them mother have 2 boy picnic in a PNP time. One wear shoes today, and the next one wear it. I want to own the youth. So how comes you come and I come try to trick the youth them and I tell them like in a phone time was the best? No, brother. I lie when I tell you. Yeah. And the hardest days of my life as a youth growing up, seeing my grandmother them a struggle. Yeah. We can tell you that. Anybody no want to admit it. Me have to admit it, you know, because you see with me, Mr. Youth, I believe in a God 100% in a brother. And there is no way we can't say God provide for me that me cannot take care of my little daughter. You hear me telling you? Me can't say God provide for me or good to me where me can every fortnight me can make my little daughter get her money. And me can carry her out and she call me and say, Daddy, I want this or I want that, me make sure have it. And me I go sit down and say nothing and go on and me I suffer. You know mad? I want God to take away that from me and my picnic. Me want God to take away. Me want God to take away. Where? The little bit where I give me. For me, can save a little bit and take care of my youth. Me I go sit down and say, we are nothing go on for me. And my picnic I suffer, me I suffer. You know mad? Me I go call on them the crosses upon myself. After I hate myself. Ungo people who hate that, that's why PNP will forever suffer. And that's why someone on a PNP, on a life can't change. And that's why someone on a sit down and sit down and do and talk about when Mark Golding win. He might go on this and go on that on a life and go better. It will never better. You hear me tell you because why? When you use the mouth and hold on yourself through Mark Golding. And not through nothing else, you know. Because not for only, you know, a lot. I tell you how I know them things. I know an LA, you know, my contractor. It's in a PNP time. I just want normal nigga. Any look work him did there with we and rate. No, I'm done. Big top contractor. A bimmer me see him buy. Bimmer. And hear what him say? Him say on a labor right time him get the most work and make him most money. But Andrew Holness not do nothing. Yes, me I show no man and wicked and terrible. In a PNP time, I drive all bugger car. Now him buy more 4 cars. Him have car if you bring around him work at them. And he have a fat BMW. And the man say, Andrew Holness now do nothing. Although he making most money in a this time, yeah. So for sure now the people them wicked and tan. You hear me telling you? If God was like man, God take back everything and strip him and left him with nothing at all. Make him stay just like how him did stay in a PNP time. And make him know. If Andrew Holness now do nothing. You hear me telling you, come say if God was like man, you know. See all people like Ingram them. Where Fame family, where him family them can tell me say the most money Ingram making in life in a labor right time. Like how Fame people them can tell me say Ingram was a labor right. And a labor right fix him. Labor right he make everything out and switch. And come on and tell life and labor right. God did that strip him. God did that take away every single thing where him have. You hear me telling you? Cause why? Them afraid for talk the truth. I don't tell you that me ever hurt boy. Who have a stop me for hurt? Tell me the truth. You have to open my brain. You have to cut my brain and take out my trade out of my head. Tell me what can stop me from hurt. Tell me the truth. If you are going to open my brain and take out the trade out of my head, until you can open my brain and take out the trade out of my head, at that time you are going to stop hurt. You feel like me, what you feel like? You feel like me an idiot? You feel like me I want to fool them who sit down in a Jamaica every day and I cuss the government. And I cost minimum wage. And I cost nothing I go in my country and I not get myself skill youth. You feel like me I like who are idiot. The hunger way me can't stop work. Unless my finger them numb and bend up. I don't go wait that to happen unless I push in a ink and vote for PNP and that never happen. My finger them now go numb and bend up because I never vote for PNP. And the hunger way, me can't sit down and walk this unless I can drink some PNP soup. And me never drink no soup from PNP because I don't want no bad mind walk this soup for drink. You hear me telling you? So if you sit down and I wait to see this boy at top work, listen. Just go and live. Because I want you live till you are 9,000. You hear me tell you? Because until you are 9,995 years old, you never see that. Because I'm born for work and take care of my pitney. Here, me are one boy who believes a baby mother. Not for call baby father. Me believe in that. And me don't know my father till me are 27 years old. But me never see my granny ask my grandfather for $1. You hear me tell you? My grandfather never worked for nobody. My grandfather wears cows, hogs, and plant 4-acre land when my grandmother can get up every morning and go to market. You hear me tell you? Money never shine out of my yard yet growing up. And I can't tell you that. That's why me want you, me not ball and chat certain things. And what me know my people them not for work damn hard underneath PNP government. And my granny have to go to market every day. Every single day. I'm telling you one of the wickedest thing happened to my family. Mad cow disease. You see this mad guy when you're Roger Clark. This big belly boy, we mash up agriculture, we come in and can tell Jamaica people about mad cow disease and all type of shit. I make the people them sell out the whole of them cow and get rid of them cow them for a little bit and nothing, and then rich people take over cow business. Cause remember, so when we grew up, cow business and hog business was poor people business in Jamaica. Rich people had to raise them sitting in a brother. You hear me telling you? See, it's when enough for uno come and attack, uno not even know about uno country. One time we grew up, anybody can tell you that. If I lie, me I tell today. One time we growing up, raising cattle, cows and certain things, and mostly poor people. Then there was poor people investment. You hear me tell you? Now, till the way PNP mash up cow business in a Porsche time, from PG to Porsche. Poor people can't buy one cow again. If I'm poor man, I go buy one cow now, Uno I go talk about poor, You show no mash up poor people in Jamaica, One good cow, one good breed of cow. Yeah, as a little poor man, you have to go save $50,000. If you have to buy one good breed, one good red pole calf, you have to have $50,000. You hear me telling us, who do that? Calf, One of your friend, if you have one good friend and you have him, we give for 130. You hear me telling you? But me not talk about if me can use $50,000 and still and get 4 cow, But me have to go buy them up at the dairy farm. the second hand cow them me I go get. Me have to go feed them for them reach to our levels. But forget one good red pole or one good Indian breed cow. You have to have $50,000 or more. You hear me telling you? If you buy one of them big ears goat there, where them kill out for local goat them. Brother, me I tell you some PNP wicked to you know. You don't know, the goat them where them introduced to we. If you buy one of them goat kid there, you have to have one 56 or 80,000 for one of big ears goat kid them. And a PNP bring them thing that them kill out full little sitting them what we did have. You hear me telling you? And make, that's why most, and them talk about farming, and them kill out farming and make a rich people can control farming in Jamaica after no labor right do it. And the labor right mash up farming in Jamaica, PNP mash up farming in Jamaica, PNP party mash up farming in Jamaica. You hear me telling you? I make the youth them now, brother. Remember saying, I telling you something. Everything is a generational thing, you know. You see me? So, if you grew up and see your family, and every youth have a continue the generation thing, you know. But if a grandfather have 10 grandpitney, you see me say 5 boy and 6 girl. One of the grandson, you know, I go want come farm, you know. But PNP kill that out of the youth them. Them take that from the youth them, brother. Them take the joy of farming out of Jamaica. Them take the joy of raising a cow or a goat out of Jamaica for in a feed them time. You see me? So no, you see Andrew Holness coming and Andrew Holness I tell us, watch out. You see the future move away from certain things. The future now is more for education and skill. And that go on. You see me? When I say, farming is a must, you know. But the future is more about education and skill. You see, if you're not educated to a certain way, you have a skill, you have a last with the future. The future now going to be for you. So that's why you see Mr. Holness goes to boom now. Sweeten the incentive for archers. You see me? That's one of the main things. Sweeten the incentive, give the youth them more money. Just broaden the base of opportunity in the archers because they want more skilled people for the country for the future. Next thing, the man said he might create STEM. Big up yourself, Christopher. Big up yourself, my brother. Next thing, the man open some STEM school. Them school are for the youth them where we call them nerd. You know the kind of youth them where have this brain where them can innovate and them can create things. So the government are try build some school for them set a youth the way. Them go from them go to school it go develop the skill way in them and the talent in them. You see me? So that means Andrew Holness are prepared Jamaica for the future. So how comes you can sit down and see the Prime Minister prepare the country for the future and have a make a wicked man like Mark Golding who stole 30 years from we. Him, you know, for him brain, for him architectural skills, stole 30 years from Jamaica out of our country because I true for him skill and for him brain, 44,000 business get locked down under FinSac, you know. It's never nobody else skill and nobody else brain in a Mark Golding take it upon him head, you know. He make sure come and confess to us, you know, and tell us all that he was the architect of FinSac, you know. So how comes now we are going to say, oh, Andrew Holness build up back most of the business them. Andrew Holness take 9 years. I make most of the business them Mark Golding did mash up back. Just like Andrew Holness, big up yourself, Samara. Love and respect, my sister. Just like how Goodyear did lockdown, and Andrew Holness revamp it and build an urban center out there. One answer now. PNP can get back a chance because lock down back your whole life business them again. And that's what I say. Who know what I say give Mark Golding a chance? So what I say? The country build up now. So you can give back Mark Golding a chance again for go mash up again. No fool like. A bad man I kill them for real. And that's all I can say now. Because if them say give Mark Golding a chance, what we are give Mark Golding a chance for? So if you can lock down 44,000 business again, FinSac 2.0, because Andrew Holness build up back the country. Whoa, what heap of business there? Give Mark Golding a chance to lock it down again. No wicked to Jamaica. And I don't see why. Me not see why you hate Jamaica and I said Jamaica on live in a car. It's not like being a PNP, you get a visa man and you can fly out. Alright, being a PNP, go when Mark Golding win, you must spread out one bed of roses and lay on down in a bed of roses, full like. Eh? Being a PNP don't show us on you hate Jamaica. Being a PNP show say 80% of you some puto. One bag of PNP puto. And I know when I have no sense. First thing you don't know about governance. I see some people don't St. Mary jump up and talk about Dr. Guy have them down there care water upon their neck for all these years. Still enough of them. Amount of quick neck people must down there so. But yeah. I see a man, I see one little Rasta man I say for all the years that are the worst part of St. Mary, not development at all, nothing at all. I see them a jump up about Dr. Guy. Doctor is a guy. That's a guy doctor. You hear me? Him did have to be a guy. You see if he was doctor, he was a doctor man. He not do sitting phone down at St. Mary down so. Down at St. Mary. If he was a doctor man, but you see him is a doctor guy, him don't know where to do good. You don't carry water down there till your neck pop off. You would never have a good road down there. Because here what? You don't celebrate a doctor guy. You can't celebrate a guy. You don't know who is a guy. Eh? A man we are man. So you see, if he was a doctor man, he would go on a better representation. But true, you don't say him a guy. Eh? And look how much years the man down there, and that's one of the worst part of St. Mary. Just be real. Be real. I'm just going to be factual right now and don't have for the joke thing. That's one of the worst part of St. Mary. Not getting any, none, if little to no representation at all from politicians. I'm not going to jump up and say that one part of St. Mary will Labour right one time can't get it. We don't want it, you know? We don't want them part there Jamaica, because guess what? Guess one time when a full MP go take them the place there. We don't want everything one time. We don't want water, road, light. We don't want everything one time. And sometimes the MP then can't go in it one time. We don't get up and cuss them like dog. When you sit down with some workless MP like guy them for 30th and 40th year and 20th years, 4 term, 5 term, 6 term, and they don't do nothing for you, but for Uno. But when one of our local Labour MP come win it, you have to say you want the world. I see it happen with Mr. George Wright. I see it happen with the whole Westmoreland. Westmoreland have PNP down there till you say a PNP country. You know, and from PNP move out of the country, certain part of the country down there. You expect say Labour right for us fix it so. That's here happen, brother. You me tell you, I'm go where you now get good governance. You have to get rid of PNP them out of the community. Get rid of all of them worthless PNP MP here. Get rid of all that thieving PNP me and them because them a mash up the country. Thieving, Swaby. Him? Oh, I mean, I tell you, I say, I want when Mocha done with you. I want you and Satan Campbell. I want you and Satan Campbell, you know. All me. And me should all be police. We are shackles up. Because I'm not shackles up. You know what I'm not shackles up? I'm not shackles up just like how Mark Golding tie up a black man with the chain. You feel like a pound of foot, me not put the shackles Satan Campbell. All you? I would want to be police for shackles you. Because I'm not shackles your mouth, your eye. I'm not tie up every part of you. I'm not chew some syrup for you and put in our hands, this boy. Make hands feed for you because he's a disgrace, Satan Campbell. You know? Because you run up and down. You do so many things in Jamaica that is a disgrace. You touch it. You allegedly pick the young grape. You allegedly pick the mango. 3 mango sunburn and never ripe. And you get away with it. And that's how you feel like say. You have a right for your program me as Swaby to take away all of we look at taxpayers dollars we have to spend back in our country. It's a disgrace. But watch now. See Sunday me I got Mr. Wheatley. Well, I set up this thing I look with my team. Don't move. Yeah, Sunday and Mr. Wheatley thing. So you see when I go Spanish Town Sunday, I try my best to get some link. Because Monday morning, you know, Monday morning by the hook. We not deal with crook. By the hook, the bait, and the sinker. You see me? We are going road, you know. What me say? Me say, by the bees, the honey, and the hive, we are going road. Monday morning, we labor rights, we going out on the road. Remember what me say? Me say, by the bees, the honey, and the bees box, we are going road Monday morning. We are going there with placard. We are going to go demonstrate against Swaby. We are going to go demonstrate all our billions of tax dollars. We are missing left, right, and center. We are going to go demonstrate say Satan can look at their part of the electoral commissional board. None at all. Him have no integrity for over this stuff. And him involved in all of these corruptions we are going in a KSAMC. We want Satan Campbell to step down. We are going to go demonstrate against Mark Golding tying up a black man with chain. We are go on the road Monday morning in our pass. Monday morning, all the bright. So understand with me? Monday morning. We are go out there. We are taking to the streets Monday morning. Right out, which part we say? What we are do? We are taking to the streets Monday morning. All labor rights. Line up on yourself. I want to no joke. We are going to go out there. We are going to show them what is demonstration against corruption look like. We are going to go demonstrate against this thief in opposition who want to go in a government. Who a thief millions and billions of our taxpayers' dollars. Because there is no way you can have an opposition. A thief we blind and want to go in a government. When they go in a government, we are going to suffer. So, we are taking to the streets. Jamaicans, we as labor right, we are going to take it to the streets. And we remember, you know, we are not licky hungry belly, you know. We don't want 2,000, we don't want 3,000, we don't want no 1,000 at all. We are going to stand up for our country and we are going to go march. We are going to go demonstrate. We are going to go tell Mark Golding, say, you don't have a right to be opposition leader. You should have stepped down long time for your disrespect Jamaica and put a chain on a black man neck. You should have stepped down. You not apologize. You not do nothing at all. Next thing, you as an opposition leader, sit down in the opposition chair and allow your mayors them for your thief taxpayers dollar from northern to southern. We need to go out there and what me say Monday now pass. You know with me? Yes, hello. KSA said MC, Spanish Town, Mandeville, Hanover, Westmoreland, every single municipality where PNP are running in Jamaica, with taxpayers dollar go left, right, and center, with taxpayers dollar get done, with taxpayers dollar buy dog food, with taxpayers dollar, with taxpayers dollar missing. Where to go? You know one girl tell me say yesterday, you see if you go certain part downtown and look on all the bush them grew up high, where the municipality used to control, we used to take care of, and them used to have wakaman and cut it and have people clean it up now. KSAMC, I don't know if them pay them, but in the first 4 months of the year, them owe Water Commission $150 million. KSAMC is an organization, is a government entity where millions and billions of taxpayers' dollars go through every single week. So how comes? Where money there? So we as labor right, we are say yes, you know, go and save up the money and take the money if you come buy vote against us. If you come buy out the country. Buy out back for the country where we struggle so hard to get back in a full hand. So we are going to sit down and say yes, take with taxpayers' money and go and buy out the government. Buy out, but no. Here what? Swaby have to go. Satan Campbell have to go. And we want to know and wish another 5. Because remember that the report says it's 7 PNP officials Mocha investigate through this KSAMC saga. 7 of them. We want to know who are in the rest. We know say Satan Campbell one. We know say Swaby one. Who are another 5? Who are the another 5? Mark Golding been going around for months now, and I talk about how much Labour Right Party MP have been investigated for illicit enrichment. We want to know who are the 7 criminal them from over PNP side where are fungal taxpayers' money out of KSAMC. We want to know. We want to know Satan Campbell, Suyebi, and who else? We want the whole of them to get fire. Them to get charged. Yo, Wagwan, how comes uno have my Prime Minister statutory declaration for 3 years? I don't want to certify it. Uno investigate the man for all long. Uno want certify statutory declaration. And uno see a man say, when uno investigate the man, uno say, uno never say nothing too hard for charge the man fine. Uno pay millions of dollars and get overseas forensic audit for investigate the man, and now nobody can see the report where the report say. You me telling you, but uno can sit down and a thief taxpayers' money left, right, and center. Uno cannot take taxpayers' money and a pay criminal. So what not tell we say? Uno own Jamaica, uno own we. I don't know one way a citizen. That's enough to take food taxpayers' money. We have to help fix back the country and do what and do and go on a criminal friend and PNP. That's what I tell you. Even when you're in opposition, you're still a robbery blind. I don't want to go in a government. Yo, I want to Jamaica people, man. I don't run the PNP. Yo, I tell you, we cannot do without. I don't say the country for run with one government, you know. Because when you have an opposition for your back. But we want a good opposition. Run with, yo. So when that we win, dismantle the opposition. Dismantle them. Them don't have no integrity like Portia. And then so what them do? Them send Portia in a permanent retirement. Send her in a nappy. Them make she senile. We are them wicked. We are Mark Golding and his surrogate them wicked to Sister P. Them beat Sister P left to right. They make Sister P walk like she a Parkinson's disease. Like a boxing Sister P used to play and get beat thump in her head. You don't know who do it to her? Bunting, they said Mark Golding, Peter Phillips, Angela Brown Gum, the whole of them. We are them beat Portia Simpson. I saw Portia Simpson walk and shape like Mohammed Ali. Our next big top boxer man there. You know, like she have Parkinson's disease and the woman never go in a boxing ring from him born. And that PNP do to her. So we're not gonna make she come. We're not gonna make them come do that to fool a good Prime Minister. If we ever sit down as Labour Right and make PNP go like them more, to bring down the Prime Minister to your dirty see. The Prime Minister will come bring we out of hell. Fight for Jamaica. You know, some more open the box door, but guess what? So I don't have time. I don't know today I was busy day. I'm not telling you right. Today is a very busy day, so I just want to do a live stream because we have to continue on this, but today I was a busy day. I have to go deal with some things in my daughter and them things. So, you know, this morning I come from work 7 o'clock. So for right now, I have to hold a break for now. So I don't know later. And I big up on yourself, love and respect. I remember Monday morning, we will finalize this thing by tomorrow and Sunday. Kerry, big up yourself, madam. I don't know say Monday morning we touch the road. Kerry, I know say if the day here, you're right beside of me, though. Well, just make sure so it become a Portland and they are Portland, and if you ever forget to one away ticket and fly come down here. Make sure so I come here place the day no carry. Without joke, you know. Yeah man, good morning to everybody, man. Love and respect. As me tell you, me I go power another live look a bit so. Me nah go jump now. But I'm telling you, me have something important for this, so I now can open the box today. Yeah, because today is Friday, and I have some things to take care of for my daughter. You see me? So, sorry if I can't open the box today, but I love and respect to everybody. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. And God guide and protect every Labour Right and cover on one damn blood. That's it. Love and respect. One vote, show a Labour Right. Kerry, big up yourself. Fire, big up yourself. Big up to all our Labour Right them who tune in. You know it